Man, what's going on this morning? Happy Tuesday. Well, shit, by the time y'all see this, it'll probably be happy Wednesday. But man, getting ready. Y'all hear the car warming up. About to make myself on the way to work right now. And shit, on my lunch break, man, I'm gonna be changing the oil and everything. So I got my oil pan right here. You know what I'm talking about? I got oil and stuff inside the car with a new oil filter. So on my lunch break, I will be changing this oil because this car have been on the freeway, been pushing it around, and I haven't done an oil change yet, you know. This would be my second oil change. I've done the first one, but I haven't done one ever since. It's been running, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we getting into today. And let's just get this day started. Let's go. Been good to me, so we got to keep her healthy. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead. I got my tools in the back already because I had them in the car when me and Mike rode out to Stockton, and just got to be, you know, I think anytime I take this car pretty far, I'm gonna start just having the car. I'm gonna start having the tools up in there. But yeah, man. So already got the tools and stuff, got the oil and stuff, got the pan. So on my lunch break, you know, we changing this oil. But let's get this day going. Let's get this money coming in. And oh yeah, hopefully yesterday I told brother that I was shooting the money to him so he can order my NRG stuff, my detachable and stuff. So hopefully that order get put in today or so. But yeah, that's what's coming up next. Wheel alignment and all that stuff too. So as y'all see, man, I'm the one that opened up shop around here now. So I'll be here early. But hell yeah. What I gotta do today, let me show y'all. I gotta get all these out. You gotta get these ones out right here. All these ones right here. Yeah, I gotta get all these out. And then I have to repaint this one, I think. Let me see how it would look today. I gotta turn the power on, but it actually looked better than yesterday. So yeah, let's get to work, man. And I'll get back to y'all when I get to changing this oil and stuff so we can see what it look like. I know it's pretty dirty and stuff, and we ain't got no hiccups in there, so I think we all good. Oh yeah, so I know people been asking about the shirt, man. So hopefully I can get it up and going by the beginning of next month. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta find the right stuff right now and just go from there. I mean, it's good quality, so I need to make sure I got the good shirts and everything, as y'all seen up in the video as I showed y'all. So don't trip, I'm working on it. All right, it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. We go to Jack. About to go change this oil real fast. Oh man, I gotta hurry and get another rack pinion or send this one out and get redone, cause it's leaking, and this shit be having me thinking I got an oil leak or something, and it's this damn rack pinion, man. But yeah, let's drain this oil. Oh, that's tightened. So I was going the right way. Woo! That shit black as hell. But you already know she been on the freeway, baby. So it was it's been a little wait for this. Next time I ain't gonna do it like that again. I ain't gonna jeopardize my baby. But yeah, so we're gonna let this drain out and then start take that filter off over there, oil filter and stuff, let this stuff drain out. So I'm about to run to the store and stuff, and I'll be back at it. Yeah, check my screws on the oil pan while I'm up under here. Then I got this spray inside the car. I think it's gonna get all this stuff off, man, but this shit look horrible up under here. It's crazy. Okay, so now she all drained out. Let me go grab something to wipe this off a little bit up under here, man. That's crazy. Yeah, man, let's clean up under here. Look at that. Brand new oil pan. Looking old as hell because of all this dust and dirt. Man. Yeah, I gotta get a new rack pinion, man. This shit leaking everywhere. That's crazy. But yeah, man, she's all drained out. Let's plug her up, and then I gotta run to the store right fast. All right. Like, no cap, man. Riding this bike every day. I dropped down to what I think I'm 205 now, and I feel pretty good. I know when I first started riding this bike, it used to be hectic, man. But yeah, I always ride this bike at lunchtime, so change your oil and get my bike ride in. Yeah, man, these bikes and exercise is good for the body, especially when you got a lot going on in your life, you know. So y'all think about that, man. The ones that don't think about working out and stuff. This is my lunch for the day. Yep, junk food. All right, so we back at the shop. So let's finish up. I'm about to get the oil filter out and then pour the new oil up in there, let it run a little bit, and we done. Are coming down. So, getting her off my stands. Then we're gonna pour the oil into her, and she'll be ready to go. go. Let her run this for a little bit, then I'm gonna turn her off. And let me dump this old oil out of here. Yeah, she was thirsty yesterday, so made sure I put some more what's the name up in here. Okay, so yeah, let me finish this up and everything good to go. Boy, it's hot as hell, man. Let's start this car up and drive it for a little bit, but she good to go. You know, I let it warm up. I mean, you know, after I change the oil, I let everything circulate. So let's go. So let's go ahead and check this dipstick. You know.
There, motherfucker.
Look like we're gonna have to add some more. It's all good. Got some in the trunk. Yeah, so everything good. Add a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let her cool out. Pretty warm, you know, but yeah. Oil change, check. Wheel alignment, I'm gonna get that done probably Friday or so. Gotta figure out what day to go get that done. Man, you gotta keep her covered up over here. I'm about to show y'all something. You see all these little marks? That's that soot from these damn trees, man. But I always keep it covered anyways. But yeah, that shit don't be cool. Now, I'm about to go in the house and order the quick release and go from there, you know. Get that here, get that put on with the other steering wheel, and I'm gonna have the wheel alignment done before they get here. So, yeah, get back on to it.